Okay, hi guys, what's up? Yes, I can see myself live. What's up? How are you guys? जल्दी जल्दी ज्वाइन कर लो. Okay, so regardless, let's start. So, as you know, or you might not know. So, I'll just quickly introduce myself again. My name is Aarushi Anand, and I'm from Hindu College, and I'm currently pursuing BSc Zoology honors. I am here to solve previous year questions of biology with you guys, and I gave my exam last year, and I got 100 percentile in three subjects, which were biology, English, and psychology. And I got 99.8 percentile in chemistry and around 99.8 in physics. And then I would like to emphasize on the other services that ExamFactor is offering you. So it's the mock test series, which is available for accounts, BST, economics, maths, physics, chemistry, biology, history, geography, political science, psychology, and English and general test. So these are available. So basically, you get 60 mocks of six subjects, and 60 mocks for six subjects. That is 10 mocks per subject. Okay, and that's like a lot of mocks, a lot of questions, which will help you cover all your problems and give you a very good practice. And like I always say, that practice is very very important for CUET exam or any entrance exam actually. So the other thing that we have is Crash Course, which is available which is available stream wise or even for a particular subject as well. So basically, in that there's gonna be one short videos of a particular chapter for every subject. So you can revise the deleted portions, as you might not be very thorough with it, since वो अपने पूरे साल नहीं पढ़े and you have to cover it like within weeks. So that is also available. That's available for accounts, economics, maths, physics, chemistry, biology, history, political science, English, and general test. And right now, a very new thing has been launched. That is 7 days crash course, which will start from tomorrow, which is for 7th May to 13th May, and that is available for the subjects English and general test. And like I always say that English and general test are the most common um, subjects जिसमें mostly a lot of people give CUET exam, and they're the most important because उसमें percentile मतलब बहुत लोग देते हैं, तो उसमें आपको अच्छा स्कोर भी करना है, और इनका पैटर्न भी इतना अलग होता है that you have to understand the pattern, like you have to make a strategy pattern wise. So there would be like experienced and qualified people who will be taking your English and general test crash course, and what would be there is 100% syllabus coverage, and there would be like 400 plus important questions, and there would be like mock tests also included in this, and there would be live interaction, live courses, sorry, live sessions with the experts. ठीक है, and there's gonna be concept checker as well, जो आपको बताएगा कि which concepts you are lacking. ठीक है. So now let's start with the questions. Hi Anita, hello, good evening. So we will start with questions. Like I told you yesterday also that before CUET was CUET. I mean CUET एक ऐसा एग्जाम है जो बहुत टाइम से चला आ रहा है, but we did not know about it because उसमें ऐसा पॉपुलर यूनिवर्सिटीज, हाँ हाँ मैं PYQs ही लगा रही हूँ, उसमें ऐसी पॉपुलर यूनिवर्सिटीज तब तक नहीं आई हुई थी. तो CUET बनने से पहले CUCET था, which was same pattern, same exam, but different name, and a lot of central universities were not there before. Like DU was not a part of it. So DU पिछले 2 साल से ही पार्ट बना है, and वो पिछले 2 साल से जब पार्ट बना है उसको CUET कहते हैं, और उसका पैटर्न थोड़ा चेंज हुआ है. बट हम CUCET के भी क्वेश्चंस करेंगे बिकॉज दैट्स ऑल्सो, wait, that is also मैं एक बार क्वेश्चंस लगा लूँ फिर बोलते हो. हम CUCET के भी क्वेश्चंस करेंगे बिकॉज बेसिकली वही PYQs हैं आपके, क्योंकि 2 साल में इतने PYQs तो हो ही नहीं कि आप पूरा कर लो. एक सेकेंड, मैंने शायद कोई गलत PDF खोला है. जस्ट गिव मी 2 minutes, आई विल बी बैक. Okay, so yes, I'm audible, right? Yes. Okay, so this is the doc that we are doing questions with. मतलब हमेशा से इसमें इतने क्वेश्चंस हो गए कि 34 पेजेस का डॉक बन चुका है, हमने इतने क्वेश्चंस कर लिए हैं. उससे पहले आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू दैट यू कैन यूज दिस कोड AAEF20 to avail some discount on the mock test and crash courses I was previously talking about. Now coming on to the questions for today actually. So these are the questions we were doing previously. I'll just add आज की date. आज की date क्या है? 6th May. Okay, so let's start with the first question. The first question says that which of the following step is irrelevant with respect to gel electrophoresis? Option A, DNA moves under the influence of electric field. Denaturation of DNA takes place. DNA moves towards anode and the matrix used is agarose. Okay, so Anshita is very active and उसने बहुत जल्दी आंसर दे दिया. She's saying that the answer is B. Okay, so let's see. Um, एक okay, so the thing is that option number A says कि DNA moves under the influence of electric field. Hmm. Yes, that is true, of course. I mean, gel electrophoresis, the word electrophoresis here suggests that there is an electric field which is involved. B says denaturation of DNA takes place. Okay. And C says DNA move towards anode. First of all, I would like to ask you कि DNA क्या होता है? Is DNA a negative molecule or DNA a positive molecule? Is DNA a negative molecule or a positive molecule? And then D says the matrix use is and anode कौन सा end होता है? Negative होता है या positive होता है? So agarose comes from a weed, right? Anode is the positive end and DNA is a negative molecule. So this is absolutely correct that DNA move towards anode. The matrix is agarose gel कहते हैं, and it is under the influence of electric field. So yes, Anjita, you are right that option number B is irrelevant. Denaturation does not take place in gel electrophoresis. Acha, if denaturation does not take place in gel electrophoresis, then वो किसमें होती है? मतलब which is one of the procedure that we've studied जिसमें denaturation होती है? बताओ अ, ऐसा कौन सा हमने पढ़ा है जिसमें होती है पेपर denaturation? कौन सा ऐसा मेथड पढ़ा है? एक सेकेंड, आवाज आ रही है ना बाहर से. ओके, तो कोई बता नहीं रहा तो मैं ही बता देती हूँ. हमने पढ़ा है पीसीआर विच इज पॉलीमरेज चेन रिएक्शन जिसमें डीनेचरेशन होती है, पॉलीमरेज चेन रिएक्शन जिसमें डीनेचरेशन होती है, देन एनहीलर्स एनहीलिंग होती है, एक्सटेंशन होती है, देन प्रोसेस रिपीट होता है बार बार, सो दैट इज पीसीआर, है ना। आई होप इसमें तो किसी को डाउट नहीं होगा, एंड अंशिता वाज राइट, बी इज द आंसर। Now question number 2. Which of the activity which of the following activities may spoil our health? It says eating junk food, B, maintenance of food and water hygiene, practicing yoga and regular exercise. Like very easy question. ये CUET में आना भी नहीं चाहिए था. Guys, tell the answer. I mean, ये क्वेश्चन में ऐसा तो कुछ है नहीं कि बहुत मुश्किल है, so Um, I'll just tell you the answer. The answer for this is obviously eating junk food. And this is not something कि जिसमें किसी को doubt होगा. ठीक है, so moving on, let's move to the next question. The next question is uh, question number 3. Question number 3 says that what was the reason for the extinction of the passenger pigeon and Steller's cow? The options are alien species invasion, overexploitation by humans, co-extinction and habitat loss. All of these four, like all four of them, ये है आपका evil quartet, जो चार चीज़ें होती हैं जिससे बायोडाइवर्सिटी लॉस होता है, दैट इज़ द evil quartet. उसमें से आपको बताना है कि पैसेंजर पिजन एंड स्टेलर्स काउ के लिए क्या ऑप्शन है. व्हाट वाज द रीज़न फॉर व्हाट वाज द रीज़न जिससे ये लोग एक्सटिंक्ट हो गए. What was the reason? This might seem like probably a difficult question. मतलब इसके लिए are you prepared? Are you not prepared? ऐसे मतलब थोड़े एनसीईआरटी में घुस घुस के भी क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं, सो ठीक है. एनीवेज लेट्स डिस्कस द आंसर फॉर इट. ठीक है, इसका आंसर है एक्चुअली over exploitation by humans. If you see in your books, so over exploitation by humans made there is some examples given, and passenger pigeon and Steller's cow ka example is also given in that, which is alien species. Sorry, over exploitations. And over exploitation is basically fulfilling your greed and not need, right? So B is the correct answer. B right here is the correct answer. Okay, now we have question number 4. Question number 4 says, what will be the number of chromosomes in the gamete of maize if its myocyte contains 20 chromosomes? What will be the number of chromosomes in the gamete of maize if its myocyte contains 20 chromosomes? ऐसा similar सा question हमने पहले भी किया था. Your options are 10, 20, 24 and 40. पहले तो आप मुझे बताओ, is myocyte haploid or diploid? If is myocyte haploid or diploid? And what about gametes? Are gametes haploid or diploid? Are gametes haploid or diploid? Sorry, not gametes, myocytes. Okay, so I'll tell you that myocytes are diploid. Myocytes are basically the cells which undergo meiosis, and any cell that undergoes meiosis has to be 2n, which is diploid, right? So gametes are, of course, हमारे जो gametes होते हैं, they are haploid, which is n, and myocyte is 2n. So if 2n is equal to 20, n is equal to 10. So the answer is 10, which is option number 1. Which is option number 1. So this is the correct option for, and this is a kind of question, this is a kind of a question that we've discussed before also. ठीक है? So there's this solution also given. If you want to read it, you can read it. Till the time, I'll just uh, put on the next question, which is question number 5. Which of the following structure is not an example of asexual reproduction? Which of the following structures is not an example of asexual reproduction? Conidia, buds, flowers, and gemmules. Very easy question. Like, this is too very easy. क्या आप लोगों ने फर्स्ट चैप्टर पढ़ लिया of your NCERT? First chapter which says these things. So yes, tell me which of the following is not asexual reproduction. कॉनिडा होता है, कॉनिडा होता है, उसके नाम में ही है कि कोन्स बन रहे हैं, ठीक है. देन आपका बर्ड्स होते हैं, ऑब्वियसली बर्ड्स तो होता ही है, बर्डिंग बर्ड्स, ठीक है. दैट्स लाइक अनदर, मतलब दैट्स अ टाइप ऑफ asexual reproduction only, right? Then we have flowers. Are flowers is do flowers reproduce asexually? No, they don't. They don't, right? They produce asexual sexually, right? So आपका आंसर इसमें ऑटोमेटिकली फ्लावर्स हो जाता है. एंड गेम्यूल्स भी, इफ यू सी गेम्यूल्स, तो वो भी asexual mode of reproduction ही होते हैं. So your answer here is flowers. And there's this solution for this. You can read it if you like to. Second. ठीक है. Just a second. हाँ जी. So question number 6. Question number 6 is, which layer of microsporangium nourishes the following pollen grains? ये क्वेश्चन भी हमने पहले किया हुआ है, मतलब ऐसा सिमिलर सा क्वेश्चन पहले आया हुआ है. आई डोंट थिंक सो इसका आंसर तो सोचने की भी ज़रूरत है. मतलब ये तो एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जो कि रटा हुआ होता है लोगों को, क्योंकि बोर्ड्स में भी इतना आता है और टीचर्स तो बहुत रटवाती हैं इसको. सो व्हाट इज़ द आंसर? Okay, right. So the answer for this is obviously tapetum. Tapetum is the layer that nourishes the microsporangium. ठीक है, and microsporangium is the male gamete basically of the flowering plants. So tapetum is the answer. Now on to the next question, which is the process of transformation of spermatids to spermatozoa is known as. So this is, I think, it's a similar question we've already done. So what would be the answer for this question? Guys, बता दो what is the answer? What do you think? Spermatid से spermatozoa बन रहा है. So क्या होना चाहिए ऑप्शन? सॉरी, क्या होना चाहिए आंसर? आपके ऑप्शंस हैं, as you can see on your screen, spermatogenesis, spermatogenesis, spermiogenesis, spermiation and spermation. तो चलो स्पर्मेशन को तो हम यहाँ पे एलिमिनेट ही कर देते हैं, क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता, ऐसा कोई बॉडी एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता. आई मीन करता होगा बट हमारे लिए नहीं करता. सो दिस तो वी एलिमिनेट. नाउ स्पर्मिएशन इज अ प्रोसेस फ्रॉम लाइक उसमें स्पर्म्स रिलीज होते हैं. सो ये भी गया. स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस तो खुद कह रहा है चिल्ला चिल्ला के कि वो तो स्पर्मेटोगोनिया को इन्वॉल्व करता है, और हम यहाँ पे स्पर्मेटोगोनिया की बात ही नहीं कर रहे. So automatically spermiogenesis becomes the right answer. Spermiogenesis becomes the right answer. And there is this solution, as you can read if you would like to read. Okay, let's move to the eighth question. Eighth question says that arrange the following events of human embryo development in the correct sequence. It says blastocyst formation, implantation, formation of morula, cleavage in the zygote. Okay, so what's the answer? I was supposed to do molecular basis of inheritance today, like discuss that, but since we started a little late and आज तबीयत भी मेरी थोड़ी ख़राब है, तो हम वो कल पूरा करेंगे. If you guys want to do it right now, तो मुझे बता देना, थोड़ा सा आज कर सकते हैं, but बाकी हम कल ही करेंगे. So yeah, सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं, अगर हम देखें तो what would be the first thing? ये आप देखो, क्या इम्प्लांटेशन फर्स्ट चीज़ हो सकती है? मोरिला ब्लास्टोसिस फर्स्ट हो सकता है? नहीं, राइट. सो क्लीवेज इन द zygote हैज टू बी द फर्स्ट थिंग. तो हमारे पास ऐसे दो ऑप्शन मिलते हैं, 2 और 3, We get two options, 2 and 3, that can be right. ठीक है, सो इसमें से अगर हम देखें तो सबसे लेटर स्टेज कौन सी है? सबसे लेटर स्टेज इज ब्लास्टोसिस्ट फॉर्मेशन. सो हम देखेंगे थर्ड में डी इज द फर्स्ट, ए इज द लास्ट, सो दैट इज ऑटोमेटिकली द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. इम्प्लांटेशन के बाद ही ब्लास्टोसिस्ट बनता है, सो दैट्स इट. You can also read the solution if you have, in case you have any doubt. This is the next question. No, actually, wait. D is D is not correct. 2 is correct. आंसर गलत दिया हुआ है बट एक्सप्लेनेशन सही दी हुई है. इम्प्लांटेशन के बाद बनता है ब्लास्टस एम्ब्रियो. सो blastocyst would come before implantation. Yes. For question number 9, what is the answer? It says which one is not a barrier method for birth control? So ये तो pretty evident है. Fourth is the right answer. I mean, IUDs are a category in itself, so that is automatically the correct answer. 4. Question number 4. Okay, now last question for today. Okay, it's the 10th question. Why is it written 8th? Yes, so amniocentesis is used to detect the 1. Sexually transmitted diseases, 2. Presence of certain genetic disorders, causes of infertility, and presence of pneumonia germs. Okay, so amniocentesis is actually a procedure in which a little bit of the amniotic fluid is taken and then we can basically uh, उसमें जो आपका जेनेटिक कोड होता है या जीन्स क्रोमोसोम्स होते हैं वो आइडेंटिफाई हम कर सकते हैं. तो उससे वी कैन एक्चुअली स्टडी अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. वन ऑफ देम इज ऑब्वियसली वी कैन डिटरमाइन द सेक्स ऑफ द चाइल्ड and if that gender of the child, एंड वी कैन, अगर मैं बोल रही हूँ कि जीन्स और क्रोमोसोम्स इन्वॉल्व है, तो हम जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर्स भी निकाल सकते हैं. कॉजेज ऑफ इनफर्टिलिटी इज नॉट वन ऑफ द थिंग, निमोनिया जर्म्स भी नहीं निकाल सकते. तो हम, दिस इज द राइट आंसर. Presence of certain genetic disorders we can find out from the process known as amniocentesis, and this is a process, basically it's banned in India. ठीक है, because banned in India, amniocentesis banned नहीं है, वो होता है, but gender पता करना before the birth of the baby is banned in India, right? So, okay, with that being said, I hope there are no doubts. Today's session will end. Not feeling very well to continue, but I would still wait for 2 minutes. If in case you have any other doubt, you guys can tell me in the chat box. I'm here for 2 3 minutes. Thank you so much for joining and all the best for your CUET exam. I hope that the last 10 days, last 9, 10, or 1 week of your preparation goes well and you guys get a good rank and a good college. So that was it. Let me know if you have any problem or any doubt right now. Okay, seeing no doubts, I shall end this stream now. And I hope you guys had a good time, right? So, yes, that was about it. And I'll end this now. Thank you so much.